Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Divina de la Paz. I'm 43 years old. I'm a single mother. I'm a high school graduate. Since I'm a breadwinner of my family, I decided to work abroad to help my family and sustain their needs. I worked before in UAE as a domestic helper almost 2 years, from January 2015 up to February 2017. I served 4 members of the family with 2 children, 16 years old and boy 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities is cooking their foods, washing their clothes, marketing, and cleaning the house. I am a hardworking person, flexible, trustworthy, kind, patient. To my future employee, I'm promised to perform my duties, responsibilities. Also, I'm promised to stay in your family as long you need me. Thank you and God bless.